This conference will now be recorded.
Today we will try some more logo designing. Okay, yesterday we did this Apple logo designing. Okay, so I need assignment. Later also you can do it, no problem. But starting itself, if you try some of the logo designing, what I'm teaching. Okay, so this is the Apple logo designing. So if you want, you can give this effect after finishing this complete logo. Afterwards only you have to give this effects. Okay. So I have taken this Twitter image. So I have imported this image. So don't stretch the image like this. By the time what happens, your complete logo will become have a problem. Okay, why? Because so this is the whatever the logo we have taken. It is a original image actually. This is not a original whatever the logo which is launched in the market. So that is the same logo only we have taken. So whenever you are taking the logo, so you have to file import. So you have to import it, and I have taken a good quality image here. So downloaded here. Okay, I'll just import it. So don't do any changes here. Press whenever you have to enlarge this image, you have to press shift and drag it. Shift and left click. Okay, you have to use shift and left click. So what happens that time? So equally in all the angles it will stretch. Okay, shift and left click. Okay, shift and left click equally it will enlarge. Okay, if you want to reduce it, shift and left click on this. Okay, so what I'll do, still the quality is not good, that is okay. Anyway, we have to trace this image. So what I will do, I will go to, this is the two tools it is which are more convenient to create this kind of logo designing. Okay, I'll use the Bezier tool. Yesterday also I used the same thing. So select any point, whichever you people are comfortable. You can start from here. Okay, you can start from here. Okay, don't start from here or any of the this thing angles and all. Okay, start from the long curve. Okay, you can start from this point or this point. Don't start from the down point itself. Okay, start from the upper point itself. Okay, so I will click on here and I will select this point here. Okay, and so before that what we have to do, we have to change the outline color. Now what is the problem? Outline color is blue and the image what we have taken, that is also in blue color. So what I will do, I'll take some other color. Just go to this one. I'll take opposite color, black color I will take. Any thickness and all you want to make it means also you can take the thickness. So by that time easily you will get to know the mistakes. So I'll just click on here, see one point, and you can see here. Control Z, one point you have to select here, one point here, somewhere in the middle of this shape, and you have to drag it like this, and again here. See, automatically this bending is taking, automatically this bend will come. So some of the shapes automatically the bend will not come. So that time what you have to do? So you have to cut the anchor points that we are calling here angles. Nodes we are telling here. This point we are telling node. So you can see the name itself on the screen. The middle point is node. Okay, see these are the two antennas that we are telling anchor points. Okay, so click on here. Okay, so automatically if the curve shape is matching, that is okay. So here I'll click on here, just make it bend. See how much, don't leave the mouse, left click and click on here like this. Now again I have to take like this. So what we have to do? We have to double click on this this thing, node, double click. Okay, again this should continue. Okay, double click on this. Okay, like this, the point. So if you are not comfortable much, so till you are giving point here, so you can give the point here itself. So it is not coming properly. Double click on this point and cut this point. And now you can add how much ever the points you want, extra points you can add it. Okay, so double click on this point. So where you have started, so you have to end it there only. Who are expert, so they will do the point from here to here, one single point. So once you practiced well, so you can do it like this. Otherwise, what you have to do, you have to keep on adding the points here. You have to unlock this. Okay, like this you have to add the points. Okay, so like this I will add the point. Later you can do the changes, no problem. Any mistakes you people are did. See, this is the sharp shapes. There is no bend shape here. Okay, just add it roughly, no problem. Later you can do the changes. Okay, go to the shape tool and so do the changes of this point. Any positions, any problems, any of the curve shapes, see which is not matching. See here, you can bend it like this. Roughly, you can add this kind of shape and you can do the changes of this. Okay, so you can add the points. Somewhere you want to add the points, you have to add the points here. Okay, so wherever you want, you can add the points over here. So you can click on here. So if you want to add some more points here, you can add it here. Otherwise, you can click on this point. If you don't want this point, means you can remove it here. So you can remove it. See, whatever the points you don't want, you can remove it. So I have not added any points here. Extra points are not there. Okay, so I will give the color for this. What color I want, I'll just keep it here. See, this is the same thing what I have traced it. So Twitter logo, you cannot give the red color. In the market, already somebody has created this Twitter logo. So we are copying the same logo designing first. So I'll go to this eyedropper tool and I will pick the same color and I'm adding the same color for this. Okay, so now I don't have any use of this image. So I'll just delete it. Okay, so I don't want that image. Okay, so I will remove the outline of this. So I'll just go to in the property menu. Here the outline is, I'll make it none. Okay, so this is the only thing we have to create it. It's very easy. Zoom it and check all the curve shape has come properly or not. And suppose you have to add any circle for this, that also you can add it. The circle should be proper. Okay, any of the color. Okay, any of the colors you want to add, order to back of layer. So something like this is not complete black, so this is complete black. Okay, so I think only Twitter logo it will come like this only. Okay, so otherwise any of the shapes, okay, any of the shapes, okay, you can add it like this also, which is having the outline. Okay, which is having the outline like this, but Twitter logo only this much only it will come. Correct, Twitter logo not having any borders, outline, nothing will be there in the Twitter logo. Okay, so anybody having any doubt with this logo designing? Yeah, I'll just add this one. So what I'll do, I'll go to this eyedropper tool. I'll just click on here. I'll just add the color for this and I will send it back. Order to back of layer, and this bird I'm giving the white color for this. Okay, I'm just giving white color for this. Okay, so in some of the system it's showing like this. Okay, in some of the system, okay, like this. Okay, so you can keep two logo designing, no problem. Only the color I'm changing. Okay, I'll just copy it, Control C, and I will take it to the here. If it is not copying, no problem. Leave it. No problem. It is not pasting. Okay. So you can keep it like this also. Otherwise, you can first what I did, that logo only you can add it. You can leave only this bird only, which is having the blue color. Okay. I have taken the duplicate copy of this. In that, you can give it this color to this bird. Okay. So like this. Okay. You can keep two things here together and you can make the group of this. Control G. So you have to group it. Okay. So I'll select it and I'll just group it and I'll keep it here one side like this, and my logo. There are two different logos I have did with a different pattern. So you have to make this kind of logo designing. So here I'll just rename this logo designing, and it is a Twitter logo. So you have to make the logo designing like this only. So I feel everybody is comfortable with this kind of curve shapes. Okay, so that's why I'm teaching you people some more logo designing, because I want 5 logo designing using curve shapes. Okay, so by end of this week, I want 5 logo designing using the curve shapes. Okay, whatever the logo designing I have teached you people, the same thing only you have to do it. Okay, next. Okay, everybody is okay with this logo. Anybody having any doubt with this logo? Yukti, Sneha, Pooja, Noor Afra, anybody having Archana KP, anybody having doubt with this logo designing? Everybody is okay with this curve shape? Anybody feel
Yes,
difficulties?
ma'am.
Anybody feeling difficulty to using this curve shapes? Meghana, you have any difficulty to using these curve shapes? Yeah. No, right? I want assignment, more assignment from you people. Then only I feel okay. So yeah, it is very comfortable for you people. So that's why I can teach you more logos. Okay. So we have created this Apple logo and this Twitter logo. Again, for this also you can add the drop shadow blend option. So if you want to add the blend option, means what we have to do? We have to take the duplicate copy of this. So we have to take the duplicate copy of this, and I will take this blend options and I will add it for this. I'm having the same color, that is the problem. See, just if I'll add a different color, so then you people can see this kind of effects. We'll get it. Okay, so otherwise I'll give this blue color only. In the back side, that is the shadow. I'll give some other color. So while we are doing, so that time itself we have to do the color changes and all. Otherwise, we can simple way we can do it. So that is extrude. Extrude also we can do it. We'll get a 3D output. Okay. I hope you people are practiced all these things before, because same thing I'm not given assignment for that. So you have to give me the assignment with this. Okay. So you have to, yeah, that is the 3D option. Okay. Otherwise, you can give the drop shadow. Okay. Drop shadow is very simple. Anybody can give this drop shadow. And here we have this smudged things are happened, blurred things are happened. That I will give it to 1. So then it will become sharp. Otherwise, I'll give it 3. Then the edges are become little blurred. Okay. So like that you can do the changes of this. Okay, only very less you can add it. Okay, otherwise no need to add any effects, means only this much also anybody can submit it, no problem. So today you people don't have any assignment. So till now whatever the things you finished already. So whatever the assignment I have given. So today onwards you have to start this logo designing. What I have teached you people. At least one day I want one logo designing, Apple logo and the Twitter logo. Because tomorrow again I will go to the visiting card design, pamphlet designing. So those things and all. So that's why try to finish it whatever the essay and whatever the things I have taught today. So please try to finish it today itself. Okay. So this is the Twitter logo. Next I will go to here page 3. I'll go to here. I'll just import and uh, what kind of logo we can make. So we have a Firefox logo is there. Okay. Firefox logo is there. Before that, I want to make you this Pepsi logo, we will make it. Okay. We have different Pepsi logos are there. Okay, we can take any of the Pepsi logo. New logos are there and the old logo also is there. See, we have the text also is there with that. Okay, you have to press shift and left click, shift and left click, then you can enlarge the size of this Pepsi. Okay, so if you don't want this text, so what you have to do, I have to go to this envelope tool and I will cut this. I don't want this Pepsi. Only the logo I want, it means I'll just take it only this much only. So whenever you want, you can take that text also, no problem. So shift and left click, shift and left click. So that time what happens, this Pepsi logo will increase the size. So now what we have to do, again same thing only we have to do. So you can take the circle also for this. So if you know Bezier tool, easily we can create whatever the shapes you want. So everybody I'm telling, please learn this Bezier tool only. Till now whatever the tools we are finished here till now, so that all tools are in one side and this one single Bezier tool is in the same. It is equal to the all tools. So that's why using the Bezier tool only we have to create all the designs. Okay, and we can use the pen tool also. So we'll go to the Bezier tool and we can select it like one point here and again, so somewhere wherever you want, just add the point. I'll go to this Bezier tool and select one point here. Okay, so You can try with the circle also. Again, there's so much problems. So better you try with this Bezier tool only. Easily you can add the curves. Okay. Later we will add the circle. Why I will tell you people why we have to add the circle for this. Now, so this is separate shape and here we have a separate shape. So these two shapes are inside one circle now. Okay, there is one white circle is there, white ball is there. Inside that we have two different shapes. So what I will do, first I will give the color to this. I'll go to this eyedropper tool and I will select the pick the color and I will add it here itself. I'm adding the color for this here only. It is added now. You can check it here. See what are the colors I have added. So it is here itself. Okay. Okay. So I'll go to this Bezier tool and I'll look at this shape, how it is come. It is bending from here. Okay, this is the shape. We have to take it from here to here properly. So I'll click on this point here and look at this shape. It should not go straight like this. Neatly, it should match here. So you can zoom it later and you can do the corrections. So wherever the curve is there, you have to judge yourself where you can add the point. See here, you can add the point here. Still there is a problem with the bending. That also you can do it later. Okay. So roughly you can make it, you can add the points. See here. So I'll click on here, the point. Look at here. Yeah. So you have to like this, unlock this and again you have to come down. Again you have to come down and here where I have started I'll end it there itself. Okay, so I'll end all the points there itself. Okay, so now whatever the changes we have to do, I will click on this shape tool and I will do the changes of this slowly. If you need extra points here, yeah, slowly zoom it. So I don't want any work in the last moment. Please, if you'll do the logo designing one also, make it properly. One single logo designing, zoom it and check please everything is proper. All the shapes are, I don't want messy logo designing and I don't want any last moment work. Okay, see, like this properly you have to do it. See, now this is not it's sitting properly. I'll click on this point here, so I'll take it little up. So now it is sitting properly. So we zoom it properly and yeah. So what I'll do, this is one different shape. Now this is one different shape. I'll select this one. Then I will go to the eyedropper tool. I will select the same color and I'll just add it. Okay, so now what happened? Both I have selected using the shift key. First I have selected this one. Okay, I have selected this one. Shift, using the shift key. Okay, select this one using shift and left click. Select both the things and keep it side. See, still can you see this shape? It is not come properly. So yeah, see, one extra point is there. So because of that, yeah, let me delete it. Yeah, now I have deleted this point. So it has come proper curve shapes. Yeah, it has come proper curve shapes. Okay, so what I will do, I'll keep both the things. I'll keep both the things side. Otherwise, what I will do, I'll click on this thing and I will remove the outline of this. Now I have removed this outline and I click on here and I will remove the outline of this. So now both the outlines are removed. So now what we have to do, we have to add the circle. So we have to add a circle, ellipse tool, because see whatever the image, this is our image, correct? This is our image. This is our image. Check everything is proper or not. So this is our image. So I will keep it side here. Okay, any corrections we have to make it, we'll do it later. So now I have to add the circle. Okay, otherwise you can add the circle and you can remove the, I'll show you in a different method also, I'll show you people. So I'm just adding the circle for this. So now what is the problem is, I have to match my circle to this only. Okay, so already I have created this design. Okay, so now I have to match this circle according to this design. Okay, for that we have to add the white color. So I have added the white color for this order to back of layer. Okay, see if it is not sitting properly to the circle means slowly you have to. Okay, so you can no need to add any outline. Now I have added the outline. That's why you can see the outline here. No need to add the outline. Just remove the outline. See, not able to see any outlines here. Okay, no need to add any outlines. So like this, the design has come. Okay, so try to add the text also. We have this envelope tool, whatever the text we are hidden here. So try to add the same text. So try to add the same text. So which is hidden over here. So I am trying to add the same text. First I will type the text here. Okay, which is always whenever you are doing this logo designing. So if you are copying the same logo designing means try to add the same text. Otherwise, if you people are not getting the same text means you have to create this text also. How to create the text? Anybody can answer how to create a text our own? How to create our own text? Sharvani, tell me how to create the text. Lavanya, anybody, only Janani is talking always in the class. Please tell me, Prapujita, Jisha, Archana KP, yeah, tell me how to create the text. Please unmute yourself and talk. How to create the text. So now I'm not getting any text over here. The same text I'm not getting. So how to do the text? See, I'm trying all the options whether I'm getting this text or not. See, the E is not matching, P is not matching. So here little bit that P is matching, but all other texts are not matching. Okay, just check it. You have the same text or not. Yeah. See why I'm telling you people. So whoever did this Rolex advertisement designing and many of the advertisement designing you people are done. So what you people have to do whenever you are doing copying the same logos, okay, any Rolex watch, fast track, any advertisements you people are doing. So you are taking the reference from internet, okay. So please try to match the same thing. Please try to match the same text, same logo designing with the same text, okay. Almost everything should be proper at least. So otherwise we have to create our own logo designing. See here nothing is matching for this logo. See if P is matching means everything will get match. Okay. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to create. We have to create this text. How to create this text? So we have to zoom it again. We have to add the circle. Okay. We have to add the circle for this with the white color. Okay. Here only one P is enough to create. Okay. So what I will do, I will select this with the white color. Okay. Add this thing. Okay. So next, if somebody who is very comfortable with this Bezier tool, so you have to add. You have to make the design like this. Otherwise, what we'll do, I'll take the duplicate copy of this only. Control D. Take the duplicate copy of this only. Then I'll press Shift and I'll increase the size of this. Okay. And let me check whether I can do this or not. I'll go to this Bezier tool. Slowly we should do single text. Okay, like this we have to do it. Okay, slowly we have to do this text. Add one point here and one point here. Only that is the thing. So how can we can see this? So I'll keep it here. This image, whatever the copy I have taken. So this is in which color? So we have two different circles are there. Okay, one is in this color. Eyedropper tool, I select the color of this. Again I will add the color for this, and this is in white color. Order to front of layer. Okay, so I'll keep it this one here. Look at this. I'll keep this text here. Okay, yeah, see each and everything you have to do it. So placement in the middle. Now I will remove the outline of this. So I will remove the outline of this. I select it and remove the outline. Select it and remove the outline. Okay. So like this we have to create the, slowly we have to create it. It is not yeah. So like this the P has come. So like that we have to make the E. Again same P only we can take the copy of this. So only E and S and I we have to do. So P letter we can take the copy of this. Okay. So manually, so this kind of text which is not available. So that's why manually we have to create each and every text. Okay. So each and every text we have to create it. So I'll just make a group of this, Control G. Okay. So just I will add even this text also we have to group it, Control G. Okay. So just use this Shift key and rest of the things you have to make it. Okay. Other things I will use the same letter. Okay, same letters I will use it using the eyedropper tool, whatever the colors we want. I'll just add this only. Okay. See now this text is different, this and this is totally changed and the S is totally changed. Okay. So we have to do each and every text in a different way. Okay. So each and every text we have to do it manually. Okay. So whenever you're copying any logo designing, everything you have to make it properly. Okay, I'll just add this text now. Otherwise, I'll keep it like this. Just I will add the text. Some text I will add. So I'm just teaching you people how to do manually text. How to do this manually. Uh, Logo designs manually, how to make this, even text also we have to make, each and everything we have to make it, because we have to create our own brand. We should not copy from some other things, means we have to make our own brand. Our own logo designing means everything we have to create it manually. Okay, so like this. So you can take circle also. See, first what I did here, I have added the curve. Later I have added the circle. So you can do it like this also. You can take this circle properly. See here, whenever I am taking the circle, look at here, the value here, width and x and y is the positions, so moving position. So this is the moving position, x and y, it is telling the moving position. See, movements and all it is telling, but here it is telling the width and height. See now what is happened, it is not look like circle, it is look like oval shape. Okay, see here 218 and 242 is there, so it should come equal, means you have to give the equal value. I'll give 250 and 250. So now what happened, the circle is become equal. Correct, you have to take any of the square, any of the circle, it should come properly. See, 192 is here, 195 is here, so both should be 195 itself. So then it will become a proper square, otherwise a proper circle it will become. So now I have taken the proper circle which is having the same value, 250 by 250. So whenever you people are doing the designing, so everything we will watch. Okay. So I'm not telling you people anything, because you people not having much time. So that's why. Okay. Otherwise we are watching each and everything, or whatever the logo designing, poster designing. So we are making, who are doing very hurry burry works. Okay. So just adding the image, 30% off. Okay. So those kind of works, it is just very basic simple works. Okay. So we have to give importance for each and everything. When you people are creating a job for the company, when we are making the logo designing for the company, so that time we have to do each and every design properly. Okay. So like that we have to add the Bezier tool. How much ever we have to add it. So that time we have to take this circle. Okay. So we have to add the circle and we have to make it properly. So I'll go to this Bezier tool and just roughly I'm showing you people. So just add this point. According to this also you can match it. Okay, according to this circle. First you can take the circle and according to this shape also you can match it. So now exactly it should come, it will sit inside with that circle only. So then I can give the color. So I drop a tool, select this one, just give the color for this. Okay, same thing. You have to add a shape for this also. So go to this Bezier tool and here take the, I'm just copying from here only. So you have to take the proper this thing measurements. You have to take the proper this thing and all. See here, some shapes which are not matching. So I'm just showing you people very roughly because I already shown this one logo designing, Pepsi logo designing here. I'll just double click on this and just where the, how the circle is coming. End of the day, it should be there inside this circle. Okay. Yeah, Bezier tool. Go to the shape tool and add the match the design according to the circle. Anything which is comfortable for you people, you have to do this. Okay. So I'll just give the dropper tool. Just give the color. Later, if you don't want, you just remove the outline out. See now it has become complete circle. Now the shape is there inside this circle. I hope everybody feel like Bezier tool easy for everybody. Starting it is little difficult. Once you know, once you understand how to make this design, you will make with different logos, right? So it will be easy. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to try with the different method. So first you have to observe the logo. So whether it is there inside the circle. So what are the colors we have, whether which is having the outline. So we have to remove this outline. Everything you have to observe it. Okay. So later you can remove the final. Finally you have to remove the outline of this. Still you can see the points over there. You can add the points over here. See whatever the changes you want to make it means you can add the points over here, no problem. Okay, so I have removed the outline. So what to do? No need to worry about this. You can add the points whenever you want. You can add the points over here. Okay, so this is the Pepsi logo. So I'll just rename this file. It is a Pepsi logo. Okay. Okay. Anybody having any doubt? So who and all create these three logos? It is easy for them. Please in the chat box message me. Yeah, reply me yes or no. Is it easy? We can do it, ma'am. Show me once again whatever the logo I have created. Yeah, you have to answer me. Reply to whatever I said. Everybody. Then I feel everybody are there in the class. Okay. Archana, Priyanka, yes. Noor Afra, tell me, everybody can do this logo designing. Yukti Sharma, tell me whether you reply me. Yeah, we will try, ma'am. Okay, Priyanka has sended me at least one girl sended me the message. What about other? You people are not replied me whatever I asked. Yeah, we will try to do it, ma'am. Okay, no, Afra. Okay, so I want it from you people. Okay, properly. I want the logo designing. Okay, so it is very easy. Okay, simple logo designing only. I have taught you people. Okay, so this is not that much difficult. We have so many other logo designing. See, this is the Starbucks logo we have, and we have this kind of logo designing. So many of the logo designing which are very difficult, we have. Okay, so Firefox logo is there. Okay, so we have to create all the different logo designing in different classes. Okay, so yeah, Starbucks logo, check with logo. 1 second. Okay, anybody having any doubt with this logo designing? Bezier tool, I'm unable to use it, so it is difficult for me. Anybody can ask me any of the problems you people are facing who are already tried. Nobody? Okay. Okay. So we have created this Pepsi logo design and this Twitter logo design and the Apple logo design. See here. So we have created all this. This is the work area. Only this much area only we have to create the logo designing. Okay. See, only when we will take the print out. So only whatever the work area is there, only this much area only the printing options printout will come. Only whatever the work area is there, that much only. So we'll go to here, view, preview selected only. Otherwise, you can go to here, full screen preview. So that time you can see whatever the output. What this is the final output. So this is the final output. Okay. So view, preview selected only or full screen preview. Okay, preview selected only means whatever the file we have selected here. Suppose if I select it here, view, preview selected only. Full screen preview. Yeah, this is the final output. I'll just give escape. And if you have to give for printing, so that time we have to go to here, file. There is an option called print. Okay, so file print. So that time you can take the print out of this. Okay, try it in other system. Yeah, so you have to give file and print. Okay, file print you can give it. You can do it in the printout. You can give it in the A4 size. A4 size, because we have taken this A4 size file. In this only we have did this designing. Okay, so we have to use the file print. Okay, yeah, only see here. Here it is completely inside the circle. Here we are matching according to the circle. See here, we are matching circle only according to whatever the logo we have created. Okay, here we created first circle. Later we are added the design for this. Okay. Okay. Next we will go to page 2. Okay. So before that we'll use the gradient tool. Okay. So gradient tool. Okay. So I'll go to the new file. Yeah, I'll go to the new file. So we have one more option here. That tool name is called pen tool. Okay, so you have seen till now Bezier tool. Okay, how this pen tool will work. I'll go to this pen tool again, select one point here. Again, see here, it is not leaving me. So I'm not clicked anything, I'm not holding any option. So automatically the line is coming from this first point to next point. See, next I can bend it. Some people they feel comfortable with the Bezier tool. Some people like to work with the pen tool. Okay, see automatically it is coming like this. Okay, how much ever you want. Easily compared to that Bezier tool, easily we can do the work here. Any of the cartoon designs we have to use it. See how much ever bend we want it. See here, like this we can add it. Again we have to cut this point, means you have to click on here. Click on here, see automatically everything it will block. Okay, so what you have to do, we have to slowly work on with this tool also. First I will add one point here and slowly I will bend this point, and next I will add one more point. I will add one more point here, and here we have to do the continuation with this. So what we have to do, alt and left click. So alt and left click. So before what we did here, double click on this point. That is the use of the how the Bezier tool will work. Okay, here it is different. Alt and left click. Okay, now the two anchor points are there. In that one anchor point is invisible because after cutting this. I'll select one point here and alt left click on the middle point on this node. Alt and left click, and I click on here and where I have started, so I will end it here itself. So what I'm asking you people, you have to use any one tool is enough. Bezier tool or pen tool. Okay. So I don't want you people don't make yourself so much confusion. So you have to use one tool which is more comfortable. Use that tool only. So you have to create a logo designing. Okay. So any of the shapes you can create it using this pen tool. Click on one point, again click on here and click on this point and alt and left click on this. Alt and left click on this, and here where I have started, I'll end it there itself. Just give the colors. Whatever the colors you want, you can give it. Again, if you go to the shape tool, you will have the same options. Other things and all same, other options and all same, and you can add the points here. You can add the points here. How much ever the points you want, you can add it here. See here. So you can do the changes also. Later you can do the changes also. Okay. Same thing. We have to give the pamphlet design, poster design with this shape only. We can do it. Control D. We can take the duplicate copy of this. Outline none. Order to back of layer. See here. I'll just make it none. Select this shape. Yeah. So like this. And take the duplicate copy. One more. If you want one more, in between you have to add the dark color. So using this, here we have an eyedropper tool. I'll select this color a little bit. You can make it dark here, and in between I am adding one more color, means just we have three colors now. We have three colors. Okay. Next, it is useful when we are doing the poster design. So poster designs and all will do it. So that time it is useful. See here we have three different colors, and we can do the changes of this shape also. Yeah, we can do the changes of the shape. So these are the very important tools. Till now, what you people are did, it's a basic tool. So this is very important tools in CorelDraw. Any other software, if you learn also, this pen tool is very common. Any of the designing software I'm telling. So you people are learning any of the designing 2D or 3D, any of the designing software. When you're learning all this thing, pen tool is very common. Okay, so everybody using the pen tool. Okay, so you have to make each and designs properly. Any of the colors you can make it dark or light. See, if I'll give the brighter color, see orange, for that I'll make it little light orange. See, like this it will come. And for this, if you want, make it eyedropper tool, little darker orange. So then you can see the, yeah, color combination like this. So when we are creating the poster designing, any visiting card designing, so that time and all, we have to use this option. So you have to use the keyboard in the arrow key. I'm using the arrow key for the momenting. Any small changes we have to make it. Just zoom it and check it. All this, check this option. Okay. Later you can do the cropping. Okay. Still you want to do some shapes here. See here, some shapes, any of the shapes you want to do it. You can do the changes of this. Here it is thin and here it is broad, something like this. You can do the changes of this shapes. So everybody, I want you people have to practice today itself, because every day I'm increasing the assignments now. Okay, so okay, so like this you have to. Okay. Anybody having any doubt? Like this, you can add it. Otherwise, you can go to this thing pen tool or Bezier tool. Whatever the designs you want, you can add it. No problem. See here, one when we are doing the visiting card design, again we are. I'm doing the same designing. See, if you double click on this, no more going to continue with this shape itself. See here, what you have to do, you have to press on this Alt and left click. Alt and left click. So then you can do the changes with this. Okay. So where I have started, there itself I am going to ending. So whoever practicing today, everybody should practice. Send me the things what you people are practicing. Okay, so what I want exactly, I want all the logo designing till now whatever teased you people. Okay, so tomorrow some of the things is there already, you are not able to do it means till weekend you have time, you have to submit me all this Apple logo, Twitter logo, Pepsi logo, everything. All these three logo you have to start today itself. Okay. Yeah, see this is the thing, control D. So for this only I'll give different color. See here, you can make, this is also one design. Yeah, this is also one design. Otherwise I'll go to here, order to back of layer. So yeah, this is also one design. Okay, any designs also you can try it. So I want from you people, you are not able to save the file or anything, it is okay. I want a picture from your mobile. You just take a screenshot of that, screen picture of that. Okay, whatever the design you have created. Okay, so you have to make some designs. Okay, like this. Anybody having any doubt?